Biakamal ka Nuer online TV channel. Kan kono niam gorjen o mi jaram jidit ka Nuer online TV channel der subscribe. Lera ban lade kim bu kono linga bere wich ka South Sudan. Ban raj ka kwi kirma yadit ka do dan wujana ka je re wich ka South Sudan. Are ler kana me bantin kon tin let kirika banaka lat ke banaka linkel kirma yadit jana kwar dana kep South Sudan gwasa me shara do nene che kwar Warrap state Warrap jan we kirma yadit Warrap state governor la dunga abiy cheja jo kwara ki cheja woch cheja wo kwarka ko jaram danan te kwarka ne ko gwas msho and wouldn't George Shwale General Abur jala governor ka Warrap wikir mi yadit ko ingeja karon kina dangro jan dangro rungwan ka paywal jene labya kwar ka kaja chwa gwada chwa ja kamut mishali magok den jara medane chwa lat kwar ka jan kirmi yadit ngayne je gwano Warrap state away den kirmi yadit ka jan gwaz metam meto ko raja Warrap state re kor rungwan ken bo ga ken ka kwi kware panken karodian an wudi chola magog deng jaram dan e cha kwanya la kwar abiy ke jaram dan biya kwar abiy ta kokor person dangwan kirma yadit kokor ala kokor paikel karwada kor pat a paikel karwada na wo ne kan wan kor pat karwada chikir ma yadit che kum South Sudan chene de konti la kwar cha wo an kirma yadit moja na ka je gor domi bakule te kalwang mdit ka je jene din konen gujen go dong chi chunkel ga je cha wo kala da ne tin kon dong mi chunkel ga je kane te nyam te cha wo ka Warrap tilan neke antama ngayne kere no Warrap state chi stable tere ring ne tere kore ab kon galinga jan larama an wo kirma yadit te nyam te cha wo ngad je go ane ga jume changa che na kon yetin changach kane te kon te chike de te chike mai gwade chu na chu ko lutin kaneka ka jiwe den kirma yadit alaji Warrap state kabe ne de cha wo ne kenyam wuri shwal ka kolmor jen governor ka Warrap chojo woch ne ga jan gwasamo cho general akol kor ku je ngaye na ran defense force ramidan la ngadaran intelligent re kuma ka South Sudan mako ingane ga ron kin dang wal jok wude me tere kordi ale konde lat korodien te nakanore ram kelelo akol korkuch jaram la de men intelligence tetir ka de kedo akol kor churu ka karun yala to ko na karon kin dang wal jok kwala pay go te gwadam ka jen ron kin dang ro de jeme sianen medan go ki jere wiki juba me wa waja ka bakir ma yadi darande ran duaren sia medan e chalat chanen tina chiginyen chana chakanak bantama cha yen jare tijen tet ka kuma South Sudan ko shelo no ka ko jeno de yen ko ken an ga duara min yin ro den ko ga du haraf kan dia ngayen me dan jegloide me chai wo ki intelligence alo chele la kwar chele la defense minister ke chele la ran intelligence ne ko na gang South Sudan ko je sen garun kindang ro wel jogo dan me to korode tiro de jia ga jene ngum woy ke jam woy de chwan nan ko ba le la governor dung warap dune jogwa de dan jo jalten chango de la changa chaga la ka man yang ba nak ka kwide yang me share la ka lo de kul na karun wan ko da ko lo kwar ga ke de integration de ko la ke celebration dung ko chaja ko nyala warap state governor but to take me to kirma ya di da gujano shi Gerald Akol Korku Cheron ko dar la governor. Shi je book and wada kwarka jen wada ka Akol Korku. Nega run wang chwe watch. Ke next day or 3 day or 4 days later, ke 1 week. Shi to ko chwa dor dan titan chwa de gol. Gol le sha gol dore. Shi kor yo to. Shi na chu liu ka dai main te ko ne cha dwech. Shi yu kapchong. Jen yende no ko kor shi al bilinga no men body guide. Shiro na karwa dole. Who knows? Kan ngaje no dong na gan ro da karwa no gege je no dong na kan jegate. Na me mishi to kan ni content la jidwar kirma yadi chikarin ling. Ano. With the kaga ne ititi je te correct je no re with the point en kirma yadi. Te chirol chigatan. Ano. Karolo to te chitu oktone dor kirma yadit. Gwada menen awa kakad kwirol to chete ka kore itu kam wini manchal keno ala intercommunal violence to talk warab state wa chet ray malkan tamakos na kan rodian tengene rekona la jang no let caribbean killing ka kwirok kwal kano kam no ken neme wache warab state ya jako chia bete kamal Jona ka kore pai tuo ka jen juo makam ni ken karodian ken ji warab state michineri cho wel kel si ka liu tenen kore mo kam dur dangro ka kwi go chikir ma yadit se nei ke se ka wuch ala se wote ka tare kam ni ken da wuch na me manan tuo ka dor kir ma yadit ka ta danen wuchen wuken je ka je dor thong mi beje kwen ye ka tok English go ka do danen chai non ka ja South Sudan President Salva Kiir has dismissed the governor of Warrap State, General Francis Mariel Abur, after just 4 months in office, state television reported on Tuesday. No reason was given for the removal of General Abur, who was appointed in October 2024. Telemisha alat mi latok bideu ngaje no wo jam kwara makaja wa telmija kalat. He has been replaced by Magog Deng, who will now serve as the state governor. This marked the first time in 4 months that President Kiir has appointed and then removed the governor of Warrap State, his home area. The previous governor included Kwal Mormor, who was ousted in October 2024, and a former intelligence chief general Akol Korkuch, whose appointment was revoked before he could take office. Warrap State has been plagued by intercommunal violence, revenge killings, and cattle raid, which have contributed to ongoing instability in Warrap State. Last week, clash between two communities in Toin North County left nearly 11 people dead, underscoring the state's volatile security situation. In a separate decree, President Kiir also dismissed Dr. Chol Deng Alak, the chief administrator of the Abiy Special Administrative Area, replacing him with Justice Charles Abiy Jok. Dr. Chol had held the position since January 2023 and has served in the role multiple times since 2017. The Abiy region, which is claimed by both Sudan and South Sudan as a special administrative status and is governed by officials appointed by South Sudan's government in Juba. President Kiir issued additional decrees, relieving Santino Bol Minister Montier as a deputy chairperson of the Relief and Rehabilitation Commission and appointing Agwek Ring Mabil as his replacement. He also revoked the appointment of Corwell Kwai Corwell as a chairperson of the Council of National Bureau of Standards. Policy analysts and some officials have revised concern that the frequent reshuffling of governor officials is disrupting public service delivery and undermining the implementation of key government strategies. President Salva Kiir has repeatedly used his constitutional authority to appoint and dismiss officials, including ministers, undersecretaries, and other senior post holders, often after only a few months in office. South Sudan, which gained independence from Sudan in 2011, is scheduled to hold election in December 2026, where voters will elect a president, members of parliament, and state representatives. President Kiir and Vice President Dr. Riek Machar are key figures in a fragile peace agreement signed in 2018 in Sudan. However, the agreement faces significant challenges, including the unification of army group into a national army and the drafting of a permanent constitution, which is still out.